Hello friends, welcome back to CarOG 765. Today we are going to explore one of the most iconic cars ever built, the legendary 1974 Volkswagen Beetle. If you love classic cars, automotive history, and timeless designs, then this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to CarOG 765 and let's get started. The 1974 Volkswagen Beetle was much more than just a car. It was a global symbol of simplicity, reliability, and affordability. By 1974, the Beetle had already become one of the best-selling vehicles in automotive history. Its unique rounded shape made it instantly recognizable on roads across America and around the world. When you first look at the 1974 Beetle, you immediately notice its charming design. Unlike modern cars filled with aggressive lines and complex styling, the Beetle featured smooth curves and a friendly appearance. This simple design helped it stand out from almost every other vehicle on the road. Under the rear engine cover, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle was powered by an air-cooled 1.6-liter flat-4 engine. Depending on the market, it produced around 50 horsepower. While that may not sound impressive today, the Beetle was never designed to be a sports car. Instead, it was built to be dependable, economical, and easy to maintain. One of the biggest advantages of the Beetle was its air-cooled engine. Unlike many cars that relied on liquid cooling systems, the Beetle's engine required fewer components, making maintenance simpler and often less expensive. This was one of the reasons why millions of people trusted the Beetle for daily transportation. Driving a 1974 Volkswagen Beetle is a unique experience. The steering feels mechanical and connected to the road, while the compact size makes the car easy to maneuver. The distinctive sound of the air-cooled engine creates a nostalgic feeling that many classic car enthusiasts still love today. Inside the cabin, simplicity was the key. The dashboard was straightforward, featuring basic gauges and controls. There were no large touchscreens, digital displays, or advanced driver assistance systems. Everything was designed to be practical and easy to use. The seats provided decent comfort, and the interior offered a classic atmosphere that modern cars simply cannot replicate. The Beetle's rear engine layout also gave it a unique personality. Because the engine sat over the rear wheels, it provided excellent traction in certain driving conditions. This feature made the Beetle particularly useful in areas with snow, rain, or rough roads. By 1974, Volkswagen had already refined the Beetle through decades of production. Many of the early design issues had been addressed, resulting in a vehicle that was known for reliability and durability. Owners often reported driving their Beetles for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Another reason for the Beetle's success was affordability. It was designed for ordinary people who needed dependable transportation without spending a fortune. This practical approach helped Volkswagen build a loyal customer base around the world. In the United States, the Beetle became especially popular during the 1960s and 1970s. Its fuel efficiency and compact size appealed to drivers looking for an alternative to larger American cars. Even today, classic Beetles remain highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts across the country. One fascinating aspect of the 1974 Beetle is its cultural impact. The car appeared in movies, television shows, advertisements, and countless personal stories. It became a symbol of individuality and freedom. For many people, owning a Beetle was not just about transportation, it was about being part of a unique automotive community. Today, finding a well-preserved 1974 Volkswagen Beetle is becoming increasingly difficult. Restored examples are often prized by collectors who appreciate the vehicle's historical significance. Some owners invest heavily in restorations, while others prefer keeping their Beetles in original condition. The aftermarket support for the Beetle remains strong even decades after production. Replacement parts, restoration components, and performance upgrades are widely available. This makes it easier for enthusiasts to keep these classic cars on the road for future generations. When compared to modern vehicles, the 1974 Beetle may seem basic. It lacks modern safety systems, advanced technology, and high-performance engines. However, what it offers is character, charm, and a driving experience that feels authentic and engaging. For many enthusiasts, the Beetle represents a simpler era of automotive design. It reminds us that a car doesn't need massive horsepower or luxury features to become legendary. Sometimes, reliability, practicality, and personality are enough to create an icon. As we conclude today's video, the 1974 Volkswagen Beetle remains one of the most beloved classic cars ever produced. Its timeless design, dependable engineering, and rich history continue to inspire automotive enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're a collector, a classic car fan, or simply someone who appreciates automotive history, the Beetle deserves its place among the greatest cars ever built. Thank you for watching CarAug 765. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments, would you love to own a classic 1974 Volkswagen Beetle? See you in the next video.